11 kilowatt. Next problem is 11 kilowatt 3 phase 6 pole 50 Hz 220 volt star connected induction motor has 54 stator slot. 54 stator slot is nothing but SS is equal to 54. Each connecting 9 conductor. Calculate 9 conductors, Z is equal to 9. Calculate the value of the bar current means IB and entering current IE. Number of rotor bars means your SR 64 is given in the machine. Has efficiency N 0.86, power factor 0.85. The rotor MMF may be assumed as 85% of the stator MMF. Here condition is given. Rotor MMF may be assumed as 85% of the stator MMF. Also find area of the bar section and area of the end ring section if current density is 5 ampere per mm square. Now the data is given, KVA is given to us 11, voltage is 220 volt, star connection, SS as I said 54, SR 64 and delta is given, that is nothing but current density 5 ampere per mm square. So the IB formula, IB is nothing but 0.85 into IS/TS upon SR. Then IS is nothing but Q upon under root 3V. IS we have to find out. So we are knowing the formula of Q. Q is nothing but kilowatt upon efficiency cos phi. So 11 kilowatt efficiency 0.86 into 0.85, that is nothing but we got 15.04 kVA. IS we have to substitute in IS this Q. So 15.05 Q into 10 raised to 3 upon under root 3 220. In this formula we have to substitute here under root 3 into 220. This is for star connection. V is there, so that is 220. 39 we got IS 39.47. Now total number of conductors is 6 TS. 2 into number of phases into TS. 2 into number of phases 3, 3 into 2 6 into TS. So ZSS SS is 6 TS. So here you have to substitute here. So we will get TS is equal to TS. See here ZSS we have to substitute. Here just we have gone through the formula. ZSS SS. So ZSS we got 9 and SS we got 54, which is given, is equal to 6 TS. So TS we got it 81 from this formula. So IB we have to substitute 0.85 into 6 TS IS upon SR. So substitute this all, then we will get IB 254.76. Same way IB upon delta we are knowing. So IB which is calculated divided by delta. Delta is nothing but it is given to us is 5 ampere per 5 ampere per mm square. I told you in class also that if mm square is there, we have to take 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 10 raised to minus 6. It will come in numerator, it's 10 raised to 6. So same way here delta 5 upon 10 raised to minus 6 is if it comes here to 10 raised to plus 6. So AB we got it 50.95 into 10 raised to minus 6 mm meter square. Same way entering current formula is there, IE SR IB upon pi P. Substitute this. IE we got it 864.98 amperes. Same entering area of entering section AE IE upon delta E. Same way we have to substitute AE we got it 172.99 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. See in this we have to just calculate AE and IE, AE, IB, A, IB, AB. So in formula just we have to substitute, that's it.